All right, I'm gonna take you along on my journey to getting my car back running. First off, I took off the flares. They were just a slight bit cracked. This car has been sitting for a long while, so a lot of stuff I need to do in here. Very dirty. Needs a full clean. And one of the main things is I already got one of the O2 sensors out there. I have to get that one out there. I already have the little socket on it. I don't know if you can see that, but I already have the piece on it. And then I need to get the downpipe from there back to there off so it can be welded. So you can see right there. I need to get it off so I can get the inside welded as well. All right, see if I can get this other O2 sensor off. I already have the tool on it. Trying to do it. Don't exactly think I can get it from the bottom. I'm try to use that. See if I can get it in the tool to be able to get it off of there. Okay, well, I got it. Oh yeah. No, well, I should have break it loose. Boom, those are dirty. Next order of business. So those bolts that are right there. That bolt, there's one right there, and there's one on the back, so I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully this deep creep actually did something. Now I'm going to take off these rear mud flaps. Right, until they've been grounding on the ground a little bit. One down, one to go. One of the other projects I'm gonna have to tackle is, you can see when I got the car, the wheels are all curved. That one's one of the better looking ones. This one's pretty bad. But wait, it gets even better. Looks like they're two-tone wheels. Real bad. I still got cobwebs on my hands here. So bad all the way around. And one of the other things I'm gonna have to deal with is got a little bit of a bubble in the wheel. So I think it's time to order a couple new wheels. All right, upon further trials, I try to get these out. Those bolts right here, those, all of them right there, they're all very rusted. That one, very much rusted on there. So we need a different plan of attack. I'm going to take out the hangers for the exhaust in the rear, and I'm going to drop the whole exhaust. All right, so I got the exhaust basically loose now. Now I got to get, there's a bolt right there, And there's a bolt on the underside of that. Okay, so got another one of the bolts out. Got the top one out. There's just 2 more on the back side. Well, it's probably been a good half hour, 45 minutes, and that's the result. We snapped it off. It's just to come out, but now we're going to have to deal with that. They got 1 more bolt left. Then I can drop the rest of the exhaust and see exactly the damage I just did. All right, success. I got it apart, got all the bolts off, only snapped 1 of the studs off, but it's moving now. Now I gotta get the last 2 of the exhaust mounts off the back, and it should slide out the back, but we'll see. All right, we got the exhaust down. It's under, all the way down. But for that, we need to get it in half. So I hit some of that with the all-powerful Deep Creep, thanks to my brother. But we're gonna take that off, and then hopefully we'll be able to get all the way out and go from there. We got it apart, another part done. Now, to get the rest out. I win. It only took me a day to get that little bead out. So, holy moly. So this is what we need to repair. All those in there, and then that. You can see the cracks. So now time to fuck with these and get all those out. Oh, it's very dark now. All right, well, got it done. You can see the holes around here. Yeah, it's a little better. We're floating right now, no exhaust on. Put the wheels back on, put the exhaust in the garage, and we're gonna call it a night. We're back at it soon. Get this thing running so I can actually drive it.